Good morning, students. I have been taught you the second chapter of History of Standard 10, the rise of nationalism in Europe. There will be third part today, and topics is a new conservatism after 1815. Students, I have taught you in first and second part that how did idea of nation state and nationalism emerge. What is nationalism? Civil Code of 1804, Napoleonic Code. Students, no doubt Napoleon brought many revolutionary changes in Europe, and in Europe a new type of government was formed. But in 1815 a basic changes occurred in Europe. All European powers collectively defeated the Napoleons, and following the defeat of Napoleons, European government were driven by the spirit of conservatism. Our topic is a new type of conservatism. What is conservatism? Students, very important. Conservatism, a political philosophy that stressed the importance of traditions, established institutions and customs, and preferred gradual development to quick changes. They wanted slow progress, so slow development. They didn't want the fast changes. They were against the radicals. Conservative believed that established traditional institution of state and society like monarchy, church, social hierarchies, property and the family should be preserved. So in the 1815, representative of European powers who had collectively defeated in Napoleon met at Vienna to draw up a settlement for Europe. The very important, it is also known as the Vienna Congress or Treaty of Vienna. Vienna Congress or Treaty of Vienna. Of 1815. Students, Vienna Congress or Treaty of Vienna of 1815, very important. There are many facts in the Vienna Congress. It is always asked in the board exam. The Congress was hosted by the Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. Vienna is the capital of Austria, a European country, and its Chancellor Duke Metternich hosted this Congress. The Bourbon dynasty, which had been deposed during the French Revolution, was restored to power. France lost the territories it had annexed under Napoleon, but due to the Vienna Treaty, France lost this. A series of states were set up on the boundaries of France to prevent French extension in future. Kingdom of Netherlands, including Belgium, was set up. Prussia was given important new territories on its western frontiers. Students, the main purpose of Vienna Treaty was to restore the monarchies that had been overthrown by Napoleon and created a new conservative order in Europe. It was the main intention to restore the monarchies. Students, Conservative regimes set up in 1850 were autocratic. They didn't tolerate criticism and dissent. But however, the memories of French Revolution, such as idea of liberty, freedom of association and press, continue to inspire the liberals. So you have studied in today's class what is conservatism, Vienna Congress. Now it is time for the homework. Homework: who hosted Vienna Congress in 1815? Analyze the main changes brought by the Vienna Treaty. Second question: what kinds of conservative regimes were set up in 1815? What did liberal think about? What did liberal think about them? What do you mean by conservatism? What ideas of French Revolution continue to inspire liberals? And last question: who was the Chancellor of Austria in 1815? So students, today's topics are new conservatism after 1815 over, and in the next video I will teach you the another topics. Thank you.